Hello, I'm going to solve the Rubik's Cube. I want to do a video to see how I'm going to do. Really want a speed cube. So far, my fastest time is 1 minute and 8 seconds. That's faster than I've usually gotten. When I started like a month ago, when I started actually getting into Rubik's Cube, it was like 2 minutes and beyond 2 minutes. It's pretty slow. Mine is not as slow as now. But once I learn the Fridrich method, it will really bump it down. So, as you see, it's solved. I'm going to unsolve it so y'all know I'm not cheating or whatever. And I have an official speed cubing timer. I'm going to use that to time myself. Okay. According to the rules, I get to actually look at the cube, see, put it down, and then I time myself. This is a pain in the butt sometimes. My timing, it actually could have gotten better. I don't know. It's kind of slowing. Well, thank you very much. This is a solved Rubik's Cube, as you see. And I'm Pierre Vianney, and talk to you later.